Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem your One4all gift card online, so make sure you watch the video till the very end. First things first, go ahead and open up your browser on your device. And then simply go to one4all.com. In the search bar on the homepage, scroll below and you'll be able to find an option that says View Retailers. Go ahead and tap on it, and you'll see the retail partners where you can redeem your One4all gift card. Look for a shop with a red pointer at the top right corner. These are the stores where your gift card is valid. If there's no red pointer, the retailer won't accept the gift card. So go ahead and tap on the one that you prefer, and then inside, you'll simply tap on visituk.pandora.net. Once on the store website, browse and add the product you want to purchase to your cart. Now you want to go ahead and simply enter your delivery details. Once you have entered the delivery details, go ahead and tap on Next Delivery Method. In the next page, you'll be able to find an option to add your gift card. You want to go ahead and enter the 16-digit code from your gift card. And if the code is valid, it will be applied to your order automatically. And that's it, guys. Your One4all gift card has been successfully redeemed, and you can complete your purchase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.